We're hearing them now. There are 3 of them in different locations calling to each other. One of them is right across the street here. You'll hear it in a minute. That's the second one.